हेलो वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। आई एम प्रिया मेहता फ्रॉम नायरोबी और आज मैं लेके आई हूँ एक छोटी सी प्यारी सी सक्सेस स्टोरी। शी इज़ वन ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट्स। उसका नाम है रूपा और आई एम हैप्पी कि उसको द मेन कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बहुत अच्छे से समझ आया। She knows that she has to be happy and she has to be vibrating and she has to be vibrating only positivity and gratitude। और वो आई एम वेरी वेरी grateful to her कि she has manifested little things in her life. So she'll be sharing her 3 small manifestations which she has manifested through 3 different techniques. So over to her now.
Hi all, my name is Rupa and I have been applying law of attraction since last October. So initially during the lockdown I saw lots of videos regarding law of attraction, but I didn't know that it worked for sure. So in the October when I started applying it, I started with the visualization technique and I decided to test universe. So I took a problem at my place, that is we had a gas pipeline installation, but somehow the work stopped and only for our house, and the workers installed for the entire society, the area in which we live. So we did multiple times, we did complaints, we called municipal commissioner, we wrote letters, we did online complaints, but nothing happened. So I thought it was the perfect thing to try for me to apply law of attraction. So what I did was that I started visualizing regarding this, and I was visualizing that the gas pipeline is successfully installed at my place, and I'm just jumping with the joy as the gas is turned on and the gas is flowing from the pipeline gas, which has just been recently installed at my place. So that was my visualization. I did for around 3-4 days, and I used to do it even less than a minute, and then I stopped doing it and I forgot about it. Once I stopped it, almost after a week, suddenly few people they start, and workers come in and they start digging. Next day they come and install the gas cylinder and all the pipelines. The third day there is a safety check, and on the fourth day finally the gas pipeline is installed at my place, and I am for sure jumping with the joy, although not in the same dress, but still it's so worth it and it's even better. So it did work for me, and I was very happy, but I still didn't have that much confidence in the universe. So I decided to apply the technique for scripting, which is said to be a very short scripting. So if it said that if you write something, then universe is bound to give it to you. So I thought, why not, let's just try this. So this time, from the 1st of January to the 31st of January, I decided to write something as a gratitude for something which I have not received yet, but I was going to write as if I have received it in the present. So I started writing. So I wanted an appreciation from my company-based client, and so I used to write every day that how thankful I am that they are appreciating me. And I wrote from 1st Jan to 31st Jan, and you will not believe, guys, that on 1st of February I received a mail as a form of appreciation from my company-based client, and it was so phenomenal. He had written such good lines about me, and I was even appreciated in the meetings, which never happens. Many people from my superiors also mailed and congratulated me. So this was so amazing, and I knew universe had delivered it to me. And it was just like the day I had stopped scripting, like 31st I wrote, and the next day universe was like, okay, fine, you want this, have it, it's like your present. So it did work for me, so I have full faith in it. The best part is that there were certain areas where I was lacking, so that is how I manifested the feed of Priyadi on my YouTube channel. So one fine day I was watching this and I saw the video of Synchro Shakti, and I saw a story of Priyadi, and it was amazing, like the way she achieved her business for her interior designing, as well as how she manifested her marriage. That too, when people were like, it was against every factor what people said, she just went and she got the man of her dreams. So I was just hitched to her channel, and I started watching each and every videos, and the way she explained it was very simple and very nice, and it was quite easy to follow, and she gave in very different techniques and everything. So I also saw this online feed for her workshop, and I just enrolled myself. I couldn't help it. because I wanted to know her in the person, and she did an amazing workshop for manifestations, and we learned many few techniques for that, and also the meditation that she does is also amazing. She's apart from that a Reiki healer, and we love how she gives the healing and everything, and how she makes us understand, and the personal touch that she gives. So when we share voice messages or something, she always communicates back to us and everything. So that's how I met Priyadi, and I think since I met her and since I attended her workshop, my belief system in this has increased even manifolds, like many folds I have increased it, and it is so amazing, like the way she talks and describes, and she'll actually hand holds you, and you give her you tips and everything. So after the workshop, I started applying all the techniques that Priyadi had told us, and since then my belief system has already increased. I have a vision board already. It has been with me, and I do my vision board also. I just visualize and everything. So from my vision board, I kind of manifested few things. Like it was not my exact manifestation of what I needed, but there was a picture of it, and I actually manifested in my real life. So there's a picture of couple boating in some lake in Canada, and my visualization was maybe like a trip to Canada.
सो हाउ वाज द मैनिफेस्टेशन? रूपा ने कितनी प्यारी सी मैनिफेस्टेशंस करी हैं, और देखो डेली लाइफ में हमें कुछ ना कुछ इश्यूज आते ही रहते हैं, और हमें इन इश्यूज़ को अटेंड करना चाहिए, अपने आप को हाई वाइब्रेट करके थैंक्स करते हुए और अप्रिशिएट करते हुए, गुड फीलिंग्स के साथ, गुड थॉट्स के साथ अपनी डेली लाइफ को भी सुपर्बली मैनिफेस्ट किया जा सकता है, जिसका एग्जाम्पल रूपा ने हमें दिया है। आई होप यू लाइक द सक्सेस स्टोरी, और सक्सेस स्टोरीज बहुत सारी हैं, बस मैं फटाफट वीडियोस अपलोड करती हूँ सून। थैंक यू सो मच।